Introducing Wakelet Create, powered by ACE, our advanced curation engine. This teacher has been curating trusted resources for their class. Articles, videos, case studies, everything that they rely on to support their teaching. They're planning tomorrow's lesson, and they'd like a basic structure to help them get started. They simply click the new Create button and provide a really simple prompt that mentions the grade they're teaching and the desired learning outcome. They don't need a detailed prompt because the context is being drawn directly from the resources inside the collection. Wakelet Create then generates a structured lesson plan that makes direct references to the curated resources, provides learning objectives, starter activities, discussion prompts, extension tasks, and much more. Wakelet Create reads the resources in the collection, understands the topic, and turns them into a complete lesson plan that's fully grounded in the curriculum-aligned materials the teacher already trusts. This teacher has already planned their lesson in Wakelet. They've added resources, tasks, and activities to guide the class and provide some structure for the lesson ahead. As always, the teacher's pressed for time and needs a quick way to reinforce all that learning. They simply click on the Create button and ask for a quiz for their grade level. That's it. The prompt doesn't need to be longer because the collection provides all the context needed. Wakelet Create then generates a set of questions about the lesson, fully scaffolded by the structure, content, and learning objectives found within the collection. No time wasted building the quiz from scratch, and full assurance that every answer can be found within the lesson itself. The teacher then adds the quiz to the collection, makes some edits, and it's ready for the students to dive in and complete whenever they're ready. Just another way Wakelet Create turns your resources into powerful, time-saving outputs grounded in the content you've already collected. These students have been working together on a group assignment in Wakelet. Research, ideas, reflections, everyone has jumped in and contributed. Now it's time for the teacher to review the work and provide some feedback. They simply click the Create button and add a short prompt along with the rubric they'd like to assess the work against. Wakelet Create then generates structured feedback referencing the student contributions. It reads the submissions, understands the work the students have added, and then generates detailed feedback aligned to the rubric of choice. The result is clear, thoughtful feedback grounded in the students' actual contributions and ready for the teacher to add back into the collection, review, and refine, turning student work into clear, actionable feedback in a matter of seconds. This student has been collecting their achievements on Wakelet. Projects, certificates, volunteering, awards, and reflections, their story all in one place. Now they're applying for a summer job and they need a cover letter. They simply click the Create button and input a simple prompt asking Wakelet Create to generate a cover letter for the job of their choice. That's it. No long explanation, no long prompt, because the context is already there right within their collection. Now the AI will read the collection and generate a polished cover letter referencing projects, certifications, key skills, and all the relevant achievements that they've saved within their collection. It's not using any content from outside of this collection. It's grounded in real experience and the information that has been provided to it. And this is just one way that Wakelet Create is helping people transform their existing content into powerful, real-world outcomes.